Assalamu alaikum dear students, once again welcome back to Umm Al Qura Education System e-learnings. It's your English lecturer and I am your English teacher Anam. Hopefully you are all doing great at your homes or wherever you are. Enjoy your life and keep learning. So our topic is tenses. We have already completed two topic of tenses. Now we will complete our third topic of tenses, which is first we have to understand the definition of future perfect tense. So what is definition of future perfect tense? It tells us about a work which will be done in future. Sometimes we make plans before for doing something. For example, when we thought that in summer vacations we will go some place to visit, or we will go to place to home of our grandmother. Sometimes that happens. So it tells us about future. For how to form future perfect tense, it's very easy. First we are going to discuss about the affirmatives. You remember, very good. What will come first? Obviously subject will come first. Which helping verb we are going to use over here? It is will have. Will have we are going to use, and which form of verb we use in perfect tense? It's always third form of verb, and in the last will come object. Here are few examples. Number one, he will have gone to the school. He subject will have, helping verb gone, third form of verb of go, went, gone to the school. School is object. I will have forgiven him. I will have forgiven him. And the third one is he will have lighted the lamp. He subject will have, helping verb lighted, third form of verb, and the lamp is object. Now we will learn about negative sentence making of future perfect tense. To make it negative, we just have to add, very good, what we will add? Yes, we will add not. How we will make negative? Subject will, because we have two helping verbs over here to make it one, so we will add not in between of them. Will, then come not, and then come have to make it negative. Third form of verb, rest of the making will be same form of verb and object. Here are few examples of future perfect tense. He will not have gone to school. He subject, will helping verb, not to make it negative, have again helping verb, gone to school. I am telling you that there are two helping verbs just to make it easy for you to remember. Okay, I will not have forgiven him. I will not again to make it negative. And he will not have lighted the lamp. He will not have lighted the lamp. This was the third one example. Now we will learn about how to make interrogative or questions of future perfect tense. So it is very easy. What will come in the start? Yes, we have two helping verbs over here. So first one will come in the start, and which is will. Will plus subject, then we have, third form of verb plus object. Example, will he have gone to the school? I have repeated all same examples in throughout the video for you to understand it clearly. Okay, will the doctor have returned? And the last one, will he have lighted the lamp? Will helping verb, he subject, have again helping verb, gone, third form of verb, to the school. You have to remember how to make future perfect tense. Two things. Number one is helping verb. Rest of the sentence will always be same. Subject, helping verb, form of verb, and in the last will object. So subject will be same, object will be same. To make any kind of tense, only forms of verbs and helping verbs will be changed. For example, we have used will have for future and had to make it past. Will have plus third form of verb. In perfect tense, throughout we use the same form of verb, which was third form of verb. Okay, so it will be easy for you to understand if you remember helping verb and which form of verb we are going to use. Okay, to make it negative in continuous, and in perfect tense we just added not to make it negative. So this was our lecture. If you have any kind of question regarding to our topic, you can contact us on our given information, and you can also comment on our channel. Please like and subscribe our channel and like my video. Also, go and visit our Facebook page. I have shared link over here. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.